Like, this is not on my head. Hey girl, got another package. Today, this video is sponsored by Wigs Hair, and I am going to be reviewing a 22-inch straight unit. Of course, it is glueless. Now let's check out the construction of the cap. So this is a pre-cut, pre-plucked unit. Now the knots are not bleached. So if you want the bleached knots, you will have to do that, but I'm going to use some lace tint on here and get this baby on. So this is the unit. It has a comb in the middle. It has a comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps, and it also the straps are removable. So if you didn't want to use the straps, you can. Wigs hasn't had a unit yet that you know, disappointed me. The cap size is a size small, which is a 22-inch cap. I kind of feel like a 22 is not small, maybe medium, but we'll see. Y'all know I always complain about these glueless wigs being too big. And it's kind of dark. It's not black, but it is dark. I love me a black unit. Before we get into the wig, let's see what goodies they gave us. So we got some caps. There is a bonnet in here, lashes, a duster bag to keep your unit in, edge brush, and lace band. Am I going to use a cap today? I'm going to use a cap today. I'm going to see what the cap doing. I'm going to use the cap. So again, this is a glueless unit, so there's no need for me to do like the ball cap method or nothing like that. This is some lace spray. And I hope I bought the right color. It looks a little orange. It says it's medium brown. So I'm also going to spray all of the inside of this lace. Let's try it on. Baby. Do y'all see that? And I ain't even lying. Y'all know I keep it real with y'all. This lace, this wig, this is definitely small head friendly. So the small is definitely smalling. Like, oh my God. And the lace is given 4x4, maybe. So it's a little bit over my ears, but that's no thing. Like, girl. So this is a real throw on and go. Now, it does need to be flat ironed because it's been in the packaging and you can't expect it to stay straight like that. But first, let me clean up the part. The lace is lacing. Like, this is not on my head. Girl, so let me go and flat iron her real quick. I'll be back. Make sure you check out Wigs Hair. I'll leave the link in the description box below where you can purchase this unit. And tell them Keisha sent you, because baby, I ain't gonna even lie. Like, they sold me with this one because I always have these big old wigs. Like, let me show y'all. It's not big. Like, there's no bulging. Like, it's literally on my head like a glove. Like, I can't believe it. Like, usually when I have wigs, they be like over my ear like this because they be so big. Wigs, y'all did y'all big one with this one, baby. Bye.